Yamaha S303 CD player review. Is it worth buying? If you still enjoy listening to physical CDs, the Yamaha S303 is a dedicated CD player designed to deliver simple, high-quality playback without unnecessary complexity. But is it still worth buying today? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The S303 supports standard CDs, CDR, and CDR-W discs, and it also includes a front USB port for compatible music files. Through USB, it supports formats such as MP3, WMA, AAC, LPCM, and FLAC, giving you more flexibility than a basic CD player. For audio connections, Yamaha provides analog RCA, optical, and coaxial digital or an external outputs. DAC. That means you can connect it to a traditional amplifier. One useful feature is pure direct mode. When enabled with an analog connection, the display and digital audio output are turned off to help reduce potential digital interference. Yamaha also uses its intelligent digital servo system and a floating laser pickup mechanism to improve disc tracking and stability. The player includes a 192 kHz 24-bit DAC, while Yamaha rates the S303 at a 105 decibels signal-to-noise ratio and 0.003% harmonic distortion for CD playback. These specifications make it a serious option for a dedicated hi-fi system. However, there are some clear limitations. There's no built-in Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, AirPlay. Instead, the S303 makes the most sense for people who already own a CD collection and want a straightforward player with USB playback and flexible digital and analog connections. If your priority is physical music and reliable hi-fi playback, the Yamaha S303 is a solid choice. But if wireless streaming is essential, you'll probably want a network-enabled alternative. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what product you'd like to see next.